Hello my friends, want to know if signing up for Chime still gets you a bonus in 2025? You're not alone. I'll break down the current promos including referral and sign-up offers and what steps you need to take to qualify. So firstly, as of June 2025, Chime does not offer a standard sign-up bonus like the old $100 direct deposit promotion. It's expired. Then you can earn a $100 referral bonus for each friend you successfully refer. This friend also receives $100 when they open a Chime checking account and receive a qualifying $200 direct deposit within 45 days of opening. You can refer up to 10 people per year, earning a total of $100,000, earning a total of $1,000 annually. From time to time, Chime runs limited time offers like 130 sign-up promotions via promo codes. These require entering a valid code at sign-up and completing a $200 direct deposit within 45 days. If you don't have a promo code, you can still benefit from the standard referral bonus. So, there's no general sign-up bonus at the moment, but yes, you can score $100 per referral and your referred friends can get the same. If this helped clear things up, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking updates and tips. Thanks for watching.